and welcome to my first car video. This is my Suzuki Swift 2008 GLX 3-door, and we're going to do a couple mods today. I'm going to show you guys how much I got the car for after negotiations, how good the car is, and the mods we're going to do. So I'll see you guys later. Cool, so basically here is the car. You can see it's a black one, so that's great. Suzuki 2008, there's some nice black alloys.
It's all curved.
They need help. And then nice badge here. Yeah, pretty good. It's a 2-door, technically 3-door if you count the boot. Spoiler in here, I don't know whether that's the previous owner's one or not. Interior wise, it's actually really good condition, not much scratches or anything like that. It also does have a custom exhaust, so if you want to see here.
Oh yeah, it does, isn't it? I haven't seen that yet.
Look how shiny and metal that is, by the way, compared to other ones. If we head into the interior, this is one of the models where it's keyless entry, by the way. You just top down. So as you can see, I'm in the interior now. So if you look over here to this side, we see the steering wheel here. We've got a custom steering wheel stitched on. Steering wheel cover, of course. We've got carbon fiber wrapped here on the buttons and this bit here, and then this little bit here in the middle. And then if you look down here, floor mats I got from eBay to match the whole black and red interior. And hopefully I'm gonna get seat covers as well. That'll get black and red. Speaking of seat covers, if you look over here as well, you can see here a little bit of a rip. It's not too bad, but it's definitely noticeable. If you look over here as well, the color's a bit fading here, so I might get a replacement of that. And then if you look over here as well, got like a FM radio thing for like £1. Just connects to this and it connects to the phone. And I also put a new CD in there, so it doesn't really matter about that. If you go to the back, the overall condition of the seats in the back is actually pretty good. Plan is we're gonna add a couple mods in the back and the front that you guys will see very, very shortly. And then, yeah, I'll show you guys the boot. And welcome to the boot. As you can see here, we've got a little, what's called parcel shelf on this. And then this bit is meant to be for that bit. Because I've got this box full of stuff, I'll just show you now. Basically, the previous owner gave this to me for free. It is a bunch of like mirrors and caps and stuff like that. I don't know what I'm meant to do with these. I might just sell it.
Yeah,
but
how many mirrors is it?
There's a couple, probably like 3 or 4 in there.
For what?
I don't know. He gave it to me for free. He just said, yeah, here's a couple mirrors. Take it. And speaking of the price, I will let you guys know how much the cost of it was, because it was very, very cheap. And I'll tell you guys the story very soon. This is the old floor mats. I don't know, I might sell these as well, throw away. And the plan is we might add some tints here as well. That's a little teaser for you guys. One of the mods we're doing today are called dynamic side indicators. And what they do is turn your car from looking something like this to something like this. Let's get into it. So here's the first mod we're gonna do. If you look over here, these are kind of outdated side indicators. I've looked online, one of the best mods to do. I made a TikTok about it as well. Check my TikTok. Anyways, what you can do is get dynamic ones. And I got the smoked ones as well, which will hopefully match the rip. If you look here, this is my first time unboxing it, by the way. Where's someone gone? Is someone gone?
Come on, man, I'm supposed to be professionals out here.
As you can tell, that was my real first time.
Alright, part 2.
These are the nice ones. They will match the alloys very well as well. Nice smoked black. And then what will happen is the indicators will slide across in the yellow orangey way.
Very nice.
We'll get to that now. So I did take off just a little bit. I took off with my fingers. As you can see, oh, this is perfect.
Oh,
looks like
it's a bit dark.
Like a plug and play. wait. Anyways, so as you can see, I think what we do is just pull this out. Please. One second.
Yeah, press that.
It's that thing, yeah. That's this side done. So we mash this up. I don't know if it's gonna fit. Okay, that's that done. Can you guys see that? So you put that on. I'm gonna peel this back off just so to make sure that it don't get stuck on anything. Nicely tuck it in, if I can, like so. Okay.
That's it, is it?
No, it's not in. It's not in. Right, let me take this all out. You ready? Oh!
Wow!
Wow! Look at that. Jeez. That looks much better compared to. Oh. Compared to this. Whoa!
Now this is the left indicator.
This is the tool one.
We don't have the right tools for it.
There you go. And while we're putting the left side on, I want to tell you guys subscribe and like this video, as we're getting very, very close to 400 subscribers, and the support recently has been incredible. Yeah, the more support we get, the more videos we can do. So please comment, like, subscribe, and let us know any ideas. Thank you. That's it, I think.
Yeah.
Jeez, look at that difference. Let's roll the cinematics. Alright guys, so I'm gonna talk to you guys now about how much I spent on the car. So in total, after negotiations, I'll put the listing up here as well so you can see, £400. I got the car for £400. Very surprising considering just overall cosmetic body-wise condition is really good for the price of money. And also it's in London. Cars in London are really expensive. So there you go, £400. The original listing price was 1,100, and then I think when I messaged the seller it was around 900 quid, and then he reduced it later on. So I originally negotiated the price before we met down to 450. I met up with the guy, saw the car, looked at the car, and then it made a weird noise before it started. It sounded squeaky. So I got very worried as well. It appeared once or twice afterwards, so I'm a bit concerned, but I think once I get the full service done, you know, engine oil change and stuff like that, it should be good. So the car was 450, so I heard the noise. I wanted to negotiate it down a little bit, and my brother got it down to 400. Overall, I'm still gassed about the price. £400, great price for a running car. Black as well, it's not silver. Spent a bit of money on the modifications. These are tips for the rear light. I'm going to tint the rear light. There's multiple different things, so please stay tuned. Back to the video. Right, now we're taking off the number plate light. Yeah, I know. So as you can see here, look, you can see the light still there. Hopefully it should be bright white LED lights, but I'm not too sure about that. So we're going to try to find that out now. Okay, so these are the new lights. There you can see the LED lights. LED rear number plate lights. It would have been nice if we could change the colour. It's white, I think. I'm gonna try to put it on now. Did you take the light off first?
Yeah, I took the cap off.
Yeah, but there's a light there.
Well, it's like a weird thing. Yeah, the bulb's there.
Yeah, you have to take the bulb off.
They should have got the right one.
You're supposed to take the wire off.
I don't know if I got the right one.
Wait.
I don't think you did.
Well, it's too late now.
Well, it says Suzuki Swift on there, so... Oh, it said, I think it's a 2008.
Yeah, let us figure it out. We'll come back to you guys.
Yeah. Okay, cool guys. So I tried putting this on, but it's not fitting at all. I don't know whether it's the right model, or I did like Suzuki Swift when I bought it, so I'm pretty sure it is, but I don't know how to put it on. And I think this is a garage job. Unfortunately, we won't be able to do this today. We've done the sequential indicators, I've shown you the car. That's the end of the video, unfortunately. Hopefully next video, we'll have these on, and we'll do the next month. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Take care and peace.